Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some ways to fix the weak vibrations on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. Now the first thing you should go ahead and try is flipping over your controller and then viewing the back of it. And then right here is a small pinhole where you can go ahead and actually press down and reset your controller. So go ahead and do that for about 5 seconds, and it should go ahead and reset it. Then go on over to your PlayStation 5, and then go to the home screen and go up to Settings and select this option. Then go on down to System. Then under System Software, go to Reset Options right here and select this. And then try going to Restore Default Settings and type in this default code, which is 0000. Now, this is going to restore everything back to how it was when you first got your PlayStation 5, but it won't erase any of your games. So you will have to know your email address and password to sign back into your PlayStation account. So just be aware before you go ahead and do that. But this should go ahead and reset your controller settings as well. Now, under the main settings menu, go on down under to accessories right here, and then go to controllers. Under here, you can see your vibration intensity. Now, the default is set to strong. You could try going to a different setting under here as well, like medium, weak, or off, and just seeing if one of those actually works in your game. Also, check the in-game settings for some sort of like trigger effect intensity option as well. This could be weak by default, and it may not be as strong as the PlayStation settings on here, so you may want to go ahead and look at that as well. And make sure your controller is fully charged, just to see if that's the issue as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.